Last week we went to the sand dunes. It's like going to the beach, but there's no ocean. Heard a little bit from a new band.
Wake up in the morning, just an old sweet song.
Learned about a theater with a saucy past.
They would go in and out through the secret tunnels.
Yeah.
And not be up on the main street where everyone
Those
would see
little
them.
devils. Mark shows you how stainless and sunlight doesn't always get along too well. And lastly, we welcomed our dear friends Jill and Gray. And Howie and Lucy, of course. What's happening now, you ask? We're trying a new restaurant. Oh, whoa! I almost dropped it. Homemade pies. Since that restaurant didn't work for us, we're going to another one. Then it's back to the store to buy more stuff. And I'll share some things about this park and who knows what else. Then we're going to go hog wild. Alright, look at my hair today. It looks gray in the sun. We're trying a new restaurant. This place used to be called the Buck Stops Here, and it had, of course, as you can imagine, hamburgers and steaks and things like that. And it has a market right next to it, and I believe that's still here. Now this place, I'm looking at the sign, it's called Cattlemen's Cafe. It says it serves breakfast and lunch, and what does that say in the little print? Oh, whoa! I almost dropped it. Homemade pies. So let's go check that out. Unfortunately, they didn't have any pies, but they did have a little shopping area, so I guess that saved me some calories, huh?
They're all coming with a skid steer, so I put those in the it's got,
Okay. Oh,
Joe,
you're not sweet. We got sugar and you got sugar. You want to make
I got breakfast and Mark got lunch. I love the pancakes. They were kind of crispy on the outside. Really good flavor, buttermilk pancakes. And Mark got, as you saw, the chicken fried steak. And y'all, you didn't talk about it. Was it any good?
It was okay.
It was okay. All right.
Wasn't the best, wasn't the worst.
Yeah, but it is noisy in there, so if it's hard for you to hear, then you may not want to go to that restaurant.
If you have hearing issues whatsoever, like I do, it felt like two funnels, one in each ear, just pouring as much sound in as he could.
Yeah, and I know that's irritating, but I don't know. There you have it. A couple of days later, we decided to drive to Durango to go to a restaurant that we've eaten at before. Nope, it wasn't this place where we ate. I just had to walk on by. We're going to Carver's Brewery and Grill to meet some friends. And we've eaten here before, so we'll have to see if it's still really good. And Mark's up there. Chicken salad wrap and salad.
Do you want a picture of mine?
Sure, what'd you get?
I got an Asian salad and a smoked salmon chowder.
I was going to do that.
Right.
Just a cheeseburger.
This is a regular occurrence when I'm pulling up the rear of the group. I love these old buildings. I mean, look at this one. Look at there, 1889. I like Durango. Look at those old buildings, Mark. Wow. I really like the town in Durango. I think it's beautiful. The architecture of the buildings is fantastic. We just ate in Durango, and now we've driven out to Honeyville. Our friends haven't been here before, Jill and Gray. So, yeah, you saw this a couple of videos before, if I put it in there. But now we're back again. Oh, look at this, Jill. You see the planters?
Yeah,
I didn't notice this.
Boxes. Yeah.
But look over here. This is where the honeys come into the building.
Oh, I see them. Look at them all.
And this is where the bees come into the building.
Got a golden butt.
Yeah. Do you see the tube?
Yeah. Yeah.
And you gotta find the queen. It shows a picture. Oh, right here.
You see her?
Can you find the queen? Well, the picture at the bottom.
Oh, yeah. That is cool.
Give me the woolies.
Give you the willies, huh?
Find the queen.
Yeah, right there. Found the queen. Looks like they're cleaning though. Yeah, they're cleaning the floor. Man, third or fourth time I've been here, and I've yet to see people working here. Well, they're just cleaning.
Anything, it's all gonna be right up here.
Okay, thank you. We got carded.
We got carded.
Yes, we did.
Yes.
Oh, and I'm dribbling.
Well, give us a few more of these and we'll just look it up.
Okay, let me see how you like it. You like that one?
Very good.
And,
That's
and
very
it's
good.
this
It's
one?
the blackberry.
That one.
Yeah.
Do you want to try it?
Sure. Well, what do you think? Did I go a little crazy? I got this many things. This is peanut butter whipped wildflower honey and honey caramel or caramel, however you like to say it. And most of these are for Tyler and Jessica's family, but they love the apple cinnamon, which I haven't had that. And got a couple of apple cinnamon, and they love the lemon. And I keep saying and. Jessica loved their lip balm. Whoops. Yeah, Tyler said with, where's the camera? I cracked myself up. Tyler said with the lemon, they put it in their tea. So I bet that is pretty good. He said it went pretty quick though. There you have it. I went shopping. I enjoy simple pleasures at Pagosa Pines. We have fun. We have a great patio area where we can play with our buddies. Walk a beautiful trail and observe animals from large to small. As I've mentioned before, they even offer music on the weekends, and I really enjoy it. And it looks like he does too. Good morning. I'm getting ready to ride my bike. I've developed a really nice little morning trail. It goes 16 miles, and most of it is on a roadside trail system. And then I've added some miles to it. I will share it with you if you're a cyclist, so just leave a comment in the comment area, and let's go.
If I could hear you cry from here, I would crash through this atmosphere. No common stars or satellites could ever stop this speed of light.
right, y'all, we're done with a beautiful ride. Wasn't it great? Let's see. Get my gloves off. What the bike computer says. It should be about 16 miles. So let's see. There you have it. And just so you'll know, here's a little map of where we rode. And I'm saying we because you were right there with me. While I'm here, let's see how many miles I've ridden since we've been in Pagosa. And there was one ride of about 10 miles that I didn't record. 202 miles, 0.5. So about 212. And we've been here about a month and a week. It's Tuesday, which means it's Mark's day. He gets to choose where we're going to eat lunch. So who knows where he's going to choose, but I'm going to go home, take a shower, get ready, and let's go eat. I do not believe this, but I just got back to the RV park. And look what was riding on the bike rack. My gloves. Oh well. As I said earlier, we're going to go eat because it's Mark's day. So Mark, where are we going to eat?
You tell me.
No, it's Mark's day. It's your choice.
Yeah, but I know you don't want to go if you don't like it. So you tell me.
That's not how we do this. Come on.
Gail, I think you want me to say we're going to go try Boss Hogg's.
Is that where you want to go for Mark's day?
I think you want me to say that.
He does this on purpose. I want you to know that. He does this on purpose when you guys are watching. But yes, we have a Mark's day on Tuesday and a Gail's day on Thursday. And the thing is that we get to pick where we want to go for lunch. And as I said the other day, we eat every single day. Not just Tuesdays and Thursdays, but every day. And then you're probably wondering, well, why are y'all recording it? Well, you know, lunches are so expensive now. It's almost like it's an event, and you feel like you need to kind of, I don't know, what's the word I want? Make it entertaining because it's kind of expensive. And here, yes, it's expensive here because it's a destination town. And, yeah, so it's just part of it. And I guess we've kind of turned into a little bit of foodies, not foo-foo foodies, but just foodies that eat every day. Yeah. And we don't go out every day. I do cook at home. I try my best to make 3 meals a week because we eat lunches and just kind of snack for dinner. So I only have to really worry about 3 meals, maybe 4 if I'm really doing well that week, but mainly 3 meals at the bus. And then the rest of the time we go out. So that's how we do it. Well, there's Superman. Look at that. Thank you. My meal was excellent. I would definitely recommend that and order it again. It was crab cakes with sweet potato fries, and then I homemade green beans that were really good. You didn't see them in the video because they hadn't served them yet. And Mark got his chicken fried steak and potatoes and beans and a roll. I really, really liked mine. And he thought yours was okay?
It's okay.
Yeah, his is okay. But I really liked mine. And join us next time when we drive to Cortez to see some more friends, go to a fantastic museum, eat at a great restaurant. We'll go on a beautiful bike ride where you'll see the Mother Springs. And yes,